like, comment, share the videos and subscribe Academic Mind.
Welcome you all to the Academic Mind YouTube channel. Today I thought to discuss about another special topic which is relevant for English O-level paper as well. So you will learn this from grade 6 and up to grade 11. This question will be discussed over and over again in term test papers, and also it is a compulsory question in English O-level paper as well. So before I go to the lesson, I would like to remind you, please subscribe to the YouTube channel Academic Mind and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's move to the lesson today. As I mentioned you earlier, writing note is a compulsory question that you can see in O-level English paper. So first we'll identify what a note is. Note is a short message that we send to a person over the hand. So first of all, I need to tell you that note is a way that we contact a person in an informal way. Through a note, you can send a short message. It means the piece of information that you deliver to another person can be written in a brief way. Now let's study the structure of a note. Here you are given an example note. Dear mother, I will be late to come home today as I had to stay to practice for Light of Asia competitions. Chatumi too stays with me and her mother will drop me. Saduni. So this is the note that I have given you. Look at the components of the note. At the right top corner, the date is given. It is compulsory because it indicates when you are writing this note. So at the top right corner, you need to mention the date as I have mentioned in this example note. Then you can see the next component, salutation with receiver's name. So this note is written to mother. So if you are writing the note to your friend, you can write dear and mention your friend's name like Dear Jenny. Then you can write the message or the piece of information that you need to deliver to your friend, as I have mentioned in this example note. So the message is the fourth component of the note. And then the last component is sender's name. The person who writes the note needs to write his or her name at the end of the note. So it's another compulsory component of the note. So I hope you understood the structure of the note and the main components of the note. Always remember to write the note in a simple and clear way. The message needs to be written briefly too. Now let's look at some questions. Number 1. Write a note of thanks to your teacher for sending you a bundle of English papers while you were at home due to corona pandemic. The word limit is given 20 to 25 words. When the word limit is given like this, you need to stick to the word limit given. You can't write less than 20 words and also you can't write more than 25 words. So if you want to score the marks from note writing question, you need to consider this point. And the next point you need to consider is the purpose of writing this note. What is the purpose of writing this first note? It is given a note of thanks. It means you are writing this note to thank to someone. To whom are you going to write this note? To your teacher. What is the reason? for sending you a bundle of English papers. So identifying its small main parts help you to write the note clearly. Now look at the second question. Write a note of apology to your best friend as you have forgotten to give his or her novel that you borrowed. Apologize and promise to give the book back next Friday. What is the purpose of writing this particular note? A note of apology. It means you are writing this note to your best friend to say sorry. Look at the third question. Write a note to your aunt telling that you are unable to visit her to see the doctor next Monday as you have to take part in Light of Asia competitions at YMBA on Monday morning. Inform that your sister accompany her. In this particular note, you are writing it to your aunt to tell that you are unable to visit her. Now you can understand in the first, second and third notes, they are prepared to write for different purposes. So the messages that you write in each note will be different because their purposes are different. Now look at the fourth question. Write a reply note for the following. Here you can see I have given you a note. You need to write a reply note for that. So what are the changes that you need to make when you are writing a reply note? What is the name of the receiver of this note? Natali. And what is the sender's name? Kathy. Now when you are writing a reply note, you need to assume that you are Natali because as a sender, you need to write this reply note to Kathy. So you need to change the names when you write the reply note for this. And also think about what is the message delivered in the given note. So as a reply, if there is important things to be mentioned, you need to write them too. Hope you got a clear idea on how to write a note properly. You can find some extra activities related to note writing in Academic Mind Facebook page. In the description, you can see the link of the Academic Mind Facebook page too. So you can see the latest updates if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates to you. Enjoy learning with us. Have a great day to everyone.